Hello, ladies and gentlemen. I am Dylan Hamilton from C.A.R. Entertainment. I should rather say, and we're now going to talk about AS1 biology viruses this time, guys. We've completed molecules. We're away from that now. So if you hear a bit of a buzz in the background, just a fan going off, I do apologise for it, but hopefully that won't take away from your learning experience in this AS1 biology video. Virus is quite a short topic, quite a nice topic, though it's quite interesting. So without further ado, let's get into it. We're going to give you a basic introduction to start off with. Basically, viruses are very small. They also have a protein capsid surrounding a nucleic acid, which can be DNA or RNA. Go back to our nucleic acids video if you want to learn more about that. So viruses stacks a cell, and they take over the machinery, carrying out their own life processes. Because viruses have to live, you know. They carry this out by multiplying and growing. The infected cell will produce a viral particle instead of their usual products. There's two types we're going to cover: bacteriophage and human immunodeficiency. You'll probably know it better as HIV. Let's start off with the bacteriophage. You'll see up in the top left corner an example of it. The wee diagram on the right of it might be a wee bit better. You see your DNA, your capsid, the whisker tail head, the base plate, the tail fibers, etc. So basically, bacteriophages are viruses that attack bacterial cells. Now that's key, bacterial cells, hence bacteriophage. They have DNA strand which is surrounded by a capsid, and their long thread of DNA is packed into the head with a short tail projecting. Bacteriophages lack internal membranes such as the cytoplasm and the ribosomes of cells, and they neither move nor grow or reproduce without the cytoplasm of the host cell. So whenever they get in, they need that cytoplasm of the cell they're infected in order to grow or reproduce or move. Bacteriophages are placed outside the classification of living organisms because they need the cytoplasm, and they're totally dependent on the host cell representing the ultimate parasitism. Didn't pronounce that right, but you know what I mean. For bacteriophages to reproduce, they need to get inside the cell, then they need to hijack the metabolic processes to make new viruses. Now we're going to talk about human immunodeficiency, HIV. So HIV, or human immunodeficiency, is the cause of acquired immune deficiency syndrome, aka AIDS. Basically, HIV is two copies of single-stranded RNA, so different from bacteriophages, which is DNA. HIV is a spherical shape, and it has HIV has similar viruses which have an RNA core. Outside the RNA core of HIV, they have a typical capsid and the lipid bilayer with glycoprotein. This delivers RNA into the host cell with the enzyme reverse transcriptase. This reverse transcriptase catalyzes the synthesis of DNA from RNA, and DNA will make a new virus, synthesizing new protein coats and viral RNA. We'll get on to all about this RNA stuff and protein synthesis more in depth whenever we go and do cells, which is right after this here. So we're going to say that viruses are retroviruses, so that means viral RNA uses a template to make DNA, and the reverse of normal transcriptase process is DNA makes RNA. So humans have HIV invading their helper T cells, and this is important in the immune system protecting against disease. So as more T cells are destroyed, the immune system is critically compromised, and the medical condition AIDS will develop. If you're studying A2 biology and you're doing a repeat, you'll probably have learned in your immunity topic a lot more about helper T cells. HIV will attack these helper T cells, and then the whole immune system won't work, because without these helper T cells, they will not stimulate your B lymphocytes or phagocytosis, etc., etc., etc. So, how is HIV passed along? This can be quite a nice question if you get this up, but basically you can get it from sexual contact with an infected person, sharing the use of a hypodermic needle with an infected person, having an injection of contaminated blood or blood products, and having an infected mother to the fetus or suckling baby. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen, for watching our viruses revision video for AS1 biology. Hopefully you've learned a good bit about it. I've been Don from C.A.R. Entertainment, and I will see you next time.